Vivo has launched its new affordable phone under Y20 lineup in India called Vivo Y20G. The Vivo Y20G looks similar to the other Y20 lineup phones, but it has some changes in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y20G features a 6.51-inch HD plus IPS display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f1.8 aperture. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G80 chipset paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Vivo Y20G supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and another 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with FunTouchOS 11 skin on top. The phone comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18-watt fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.41 by 76.32 by 8.41 millimeters, and it weighs around 192.3 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y20G has been priced in India at 14,990 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in Obsidian Black and Purest Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y20G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolvebag YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.